I killed somebody's baby.
I just made my squad.
I killed somebody's baby.
Did you know you were driving on the sidewalk?
Oh no, because I would have noticed a sign.
You were on
I'm just worried about the deer or whatever the it was, but when I looked at my truck, it was no deer.
Cabria Harris was 47 years old. She lived in East Moline. On the night of May 22nd, she went to a friend's bar opening in Rock Island around midnight. She drank wine coolers. She drank Tito's vodka shots. She crossed the Centennial Bridge into Davenport to say hello to more friends. Then she drove home. Or she tried to. At approximately 2 in the morning, Harris's SUV entered the I-74 bridge pedestrian path from the Bettendorf side, the Iowa side, the side with no barriers. Her SUV traveled the entire length of the pedestrian path, not a few yards. She drove an SUV across a pedestrian walkway that spans the Mississippi River as if it were a road, because at 2 in the morning, to a person impaired enough to confuse a walking path with a driving lane, it looked like a road. Near the Moline entrance, 3 friends were standing on the path: Ethan Gonzalez, Anthony Castaneda, Charles Bowen, 3 young men on a warm night in May, in a place where they were supposed to be safe because the path existed for them.
I hit my head on this. So I'm Officer Schultz from Moline Police Department. So I just kind of was talking to the officer here. I just want to kind of verify a few things. So that's your SUV then?
Yeah.
Okay. And you were coming from Davenport or?
No,
okay.
Right off that bridge, right there.
The new bridge over here from Bettendorf then, or?
Right there, I was coming through that.
Gotcha.
I was coming through that. Up under there? Yeah, I was coming through. Yeah.
Where were you at before you were on the bridge? Were you in Davenport or Bettendorf?
John Deere. Rock Island? No. John Deere. Come through that ruffle.
Okay.
You're older than my job? Yeah. See.
So you... was anybody else in the car with you? Just you? Okay. Where were you coming from?
Right there.
I mean, but where were you at though?
Where were you at?
Where were you at?
When you were coming. Mom, I went and got me something to drink over there, and I was coming through. Over where?
Where did you get the drink at?
Didn't go.
Didn't go in...
Moline.
On the border there? Or?
Yeah, no. Moline.
We don't have to get into a Moline.
No, yes, we didn't go. Are you right there by my job? Wow. That didn't go. Didn't go, Moline.
Okay.
Got a drink.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get your last name?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I know. It's okay.
Baby, that
it's just
was
a car.
no deer.
It's just a car.
That was no vehicle. That was...
So,
Okay,
do me a favor.
I'm sorry.
Just no, you're okay. Face me.
Fishy.
Yep. Just stand like that. Now go ahead. Now imagine there's an imaginary line in front of you that goes straight out towards the rocks over there, okay?
Okay.
Now put your left foot on that line. And what I want you to do is put your right foot in front of your left foot so that the heel...
cold out here.
And begin for
You
me.
ready, baby?
Yep. Go ahead and begin for me.
Officers administered field sobriety tests to Cabria Harris at the scene. She failed. The damage to the front of her SUV was visible, the kind of damage that tells you the vehicle hit something solid, something human-sized.
Baby, but y'all see somebody back there.
Well, we're dealing with that. We're going to do this first, okay?
Okay.
Just go ahead.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Nope.
I'm
so
sorry.
get back in starting position like I showed you.
Ready?
Yep, Miss Harris, get
Okay.
back to starting position like I showed you. And then go ahead and begin when you're ready.
Sorry.
Nope,
My
you're
legs
okay.
are big. Ready? I peed on myself.
That's okay.
Sorry.
Yep, go ahead and
Ready?
begin. Yep. Keep your hands down by your side for me and count out loud.
Oh my God. Ready? Now where?
Right, just do it like I showed you.
You didn't say how many.
I said 9, remember?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay, make sure you count out loud.
My nerves are bad.
I get you.
How many did I get?
But once you do that 9, go ahead and make the turn like I showed you, then do the next 9,
How
okay?
many did I do? Start over?
Nope, just continue from where you are.
I can't.
Okay.
I'm nervous. I'm
Okay.
sorry.
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna have you. So we're going back over here. Okay. Maybe do one more thing for me.
Baby, seeing that?
Yep.
That was not an animal.
Okay. Yep. Begin. No. You're just raising your foot. Remember? Just raise one foot. All the way. Hold it off the ground about 6 inches, parallel to the ground, and then start counting out loud for me. Okay. And if you put your foot down, you can't do it.
I can't.
Okay.
How many did I have to hold it?
What's that?
How many did I have to hold
Well,
it?
just
I'm
longer.
nervous.
Okay, I know. Go put your hands behind your back for me. Okay. You've been placed in arrest for DUI. All right.
Okay. Fine.
Do you have anything you need out of that car right now?
No.
Okay.
So she had the phone on to your mom.
Okay.
Yeah. I want you to have the phone with you. Okay. So we're gonna probably get your phone to you so you can call.
It's fine. Sure. Can I try one more time? Because I'm nervous. My stuff. Yeah. Can I try one more time?
That's it.
All right.
Okay.
So we're gonna come back to my car, okay?
Hey, baby. Like I said, seeing my shit
Sure.
and knowing no.
Yep.
I'm nervous.
How do you pronounce your first name again?
Sharia.
Sharia. Okay.
Can I take another test?
Oh yeah, well, I'm gonna give you an opportunity to do another test. Okay. We're gonna go down to the PD
I
first,
don't
though.
want to see that. Baby, but did y'all see it was an animal, though?
We can talk about that later too. Okay.
Huh?
We'll talk about that here in a minute.
Oh, my God.
5 times, Cabria Harris asked the officers if the thing she struck on a pedestrian walkway at 2 in the morning was an animal. 5 times, she reached for the version of the story that did not involve a human being. 5 times, she tried to make it a deer. I thought it was an animal. I thought it was a deer. I closed my eyes. My seatbelt held me, so I pulled over. That's when I called you guys. At the hospital, the officers told her the truth.
I don't want you to hyperventilate, girl.
Where's my mom? Please just give me my mom. It wasn't no animal. It wasn't no animal.
Sabrina, I don't know where your mom's at. Is your mom here?
My mom is supposed to be here. Please. Please just give my mom. Please, my mom. It wasn't no animal.
All right, Shabria. Hey, will you calm down for a second? Sal's gonna read you something, okay? All right. Take a deep breath. Hey, take a deep breath. Put your hands on top of your head like this.
I can't. That's not gonna do it. Baby, I need my mama.
I get that. Well, right now.
My mom can't be in here.
No, you're an adult.
Shabria, just hear me out, okay?
Okay, baby. It wasn't no animal.
We'll get through this, okay?
No, sweetie. It wasn't no animal. It wasn't an animal. Oh my God, I do it.
Hey, Shabria. So I have Hey, just like the other officer said, okay? I can't.
It wasn't no dog. It wasn't no cat. It wasn't no raccoon. I've been through enough deaths. Let me tell you something. When I was on strike, a man got killed right in front of me. He walked out on the highway. When I was on strike, I'm sorry.
Next, a detective reads Shabria her Miranda rights.
You understand how he read it to you?
I give you.
Where's my mom, please?
Just.
Mine is at the police department. Okay, we'll
She can't come up here, sweetie.
No, we'll get you. We'll get you in contact with your mom here in a little bit. Okay, I promise.
Please, you don't understand what I've been through. And then it's not an animal. Y'all understand it's not an animal. And I've been through so much. Go ahead.
Shabria. Okay, so if you understand everything that I just read to you,
I'm not finna sign nothing.
you're not going to sign anything?
No, sweetie.
Cabria Harris broke. The denial cracked open, and reality flooded through. And the woman who had been asking about deer was suddenly confronted with the weight of what she had actually done. I killed somebody's baby. She said it through tears. She said it in a hospital room with officers standing over her, and a body cam recording every syllable. I need my mom. Why was he on the bridge? What was this man doing or woman doing? Oh my God. Oh my God. I killed somebody's baby. You said the walkway right there, and I wasn't supposed to be there.
Would you look at me for a second?
Please, I can't. Don't tell me nobody. I've already been through it enough.
Hey, Sabrina.
Yes.
Take a deep breath.
I've already
Okay, I understand.
to the bathroom on myself and everything.
Hey, real quick.
Hey, baby, I'm right here.
You look at me.
I'm not.
Hey, Will you just take a deep breath for me?
Yes.
Okay, you understand what Sal read to you, right?
No.
You don't understand your rights?
Yes, I know my rights.
Okay, you understand what he said then. You understand your rights? Like you have the right to remain, you have the right to remain silent.
So somebody died?
Somebody did that.
Whoa!
And we just need to talk to you, okay? Hey, Shabrina. Obviously, you weren't out there trying to hurt somebody, okay? You thought it was an animal. But we have to figure some things out, okay? We have to figure that out on your end, okay?
Where's my mom? Please,
Okay.
can my mom be here with me?
You're an adult, okay? You're the same age as me, okay? So,
Probably older than me.
I think you're about 6 months older than me. Okay? So you understand what Sal said? You understand your rights? Okay, because we're going to ask you a couple of questions about what you were doing tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Detectives eventually calm the suspect down enough to ask her a few questions. Let's see what she has to say.
Were you the only one in your vehicle tonight?
Yes.
You were all there by yourself?
Yes.
All right. Are you familiar that on this new bridge that there's a walkway?
No.
Um,
I'm just used to getting off on this main entrance that takes you to River Drive. We curve around because it's like different now to me.
yeah.
And I was like,
When
what the
you're
fuck?
coming from Davenport and you're coming into Bettendorf, and you got to kind of loop around,
No.
and you get on the new bridge. You know
So-
that when you...
So all I know is it's different period because I don't even mess with that bridge period. If I don't got to, I don't go across it, and I never have because I never liked that bridge. Actually, I'm scared of bridges.
Yeah.
I watch
Did you
too many
notice
scary
the bridge,
bridges.
the part of the bridge that you were on today, that it wasn't lit up?
Yes,
It
this
was-
side. It's not, but that side is.
Yeah, the other side was
That-
lit up.
yeah.
The side you were on was not lit
No,
up. Did
no,
you
it's
notice
not.
any like lane use markings?
No, baby, I just know that I gotta get off to get on River Drive, and that's where I was at. I took my curve like I usually do, but it's a little different. But I took my curve like I usually do.
Do you remember when you got off that there was no lights controlling the part of the bridge that you got off on, but there was some next to you?
Not gonna say that.
You don't remember?
No, I just was paying attention to everything.
Do you remember it being really narrow?
Narrow, yes, because I'm like, what the? Sorry for my
No,
language.
you're good.
Yeah.
I swear from time to time. 3 times a year, I swear.
Yes, I was that.
Like, did you feel like it was very narrow on your car?
Very,
Like,
very. Because I'm like, what the? And I'm like, okay, well, whatever. This is new shit, blah, 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 blah. And then I was like, why ain't the this lit up?
When officers placed her in handcuffs at the hospital, she made one request. She asked the officers to apologize to the young man's mother and father. She asked the people arresting her to deliver a message to the parents of the boy she had killed. She called him a baby. He was 21. He made pizza at Happy Joe's and trained new employees and made his manager believe he would change the world.
After we're done here, you're going to be arrested today, okay? And you're going to be charged with reckless homicide. You were driving a vehicle and you struck 3 people.
3.
One's dead, one's going to die, and the other one's critically injured. That part of the bridge that you were driving on, that's a sidewalk. That's not the bridge. Cars can't drive on there. So you were driving on, it's a pedestrian walkway. So where you drove,
Y'all got the cameras on that.
we do.
So where is this part at? So you're telling me I was
So-
driving on another side of the
Yeah,
road
so
where I
the
wasn't supposed to be?
So the bridge, there's the Iowa bound, Illinois bound. Those are separated. There's a gap. They're separated by concrete, and they're also separated by water. And then to the west of that, to the west of the Illinois bound, that's also separated by barriers and also separated by a gap, which you go down to the water. There's a pedestrian walkway that they built on the new I-74 bridge, and you were driving on the walkway.
I was on there, and y'all seen it.
I have not seen it, but that's
No,
where
they seen it.
yeah, that's where the kids are at.
No, they seen it.
We're going to see it, and it'll be on camera.
Okay, that's what I'm asking you. It's on camera?
It will be on camera. So you're being charged with aggravated DUI, resulting in death, and reckless homicide.
Okay.
All right? So you're going to be held today, and you won't see a judge until tomorrow, which is Monday, at 1 o'clock.
Okay.
All right? So you're going to be in the Rock Island County Jail.
Okay.
You understand?
Yep.
Okay.
And they seen that on camera.
I have not seen on camera yet, but it will be. There's cameras up there.
So, one more time, baby. Where the bridge is at? This is what I was asking you.
Yeah.
Where the bridge was at, I was driving where I shouldn't have been driving.
That's why it was narrow to you, because that's a sidewalk. Remember when you said it was narrow?
Yeah.
That's because that's a sidewalk. Cars aren't supposed to be up there.
Somebody
I
should be
killed
calling.
somebody's baby.
I need my squad.
I killed somebody's baby.
Let me see if I got one. If you want, you can go in there. Just don't go in the back door. Okay.
Yeah, don't open the back door.
Cabria Harris stood before Judge Frank Fuhr in the Rock Island County Courthouse and pleaded guilty to 1 count of aggravated Dewey causing death. The plea deal called for 20 years in the Illinois Department of Corrections. Under Illinois law, she must serve at least 85% of her sentence 17 years before becoming eligible for release. She received credit for time served since her arrest in May 2022.
I killed somebody's baby.
Yeah, I heard. It's been so broken out there. We talked before. So, I spelled it wrong. Right.
Is you alright?
I killed somebody's baby. I killed somebody's baby. No. And he's not gonna be alright without me. I killed somebody's baby. I killed somebody's baby. Do you understand?
I know.
I killed somebody's baby.
What you're going through, but
I killed somebody's baby. You said the walkway was right there and I wasn't supposed to be driving there on the bridge. And it was a baby. And I killed somebody's baby. I killed somebody's baby. And now look at my baby. He's gonna be without me. I killed somebody's baby and now look at my baby. Oh my God. Come on. Come on, baby.
And a woman in an Illinois prison is serving 20 years for driving on a path that was built for walking, because Ethan Gonzalez and Anthony Castaneda were more than a body cam quote and a sentencing hearing. They were somebody's baby, both of them, and they deserved a path that kept them safe.